YouTube? It's your girl Destinee. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for your continuous support. Today we'll be doing a cut crease rainbow look. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so I've already completed my full face. To start off this eye look, I'm gonna first pat my eyelid with a wet sponge just to get some of that moisture off of my eye. And then next I'm going to put my setting powder on my eye just to combat some of that oiliness. I'm going to use my Cover Fix translucent powder, and this is in light. And I'm just going to use a powder brush and I'm going to pat that over my eyelid. It's better to have a smaller powder brush, but I don't, so. Wow, I wasn't meaning to put that much. Woo. And I'm actually gonna pat some of that under my eye just to prevent any fallout, messing up my makeup. And I'm just gonna leave that on my face until we finish the eye look. I'm gonna use my Louise base, and this is in 4, the shade 4. I'm gonna spread that over my eye. Also pan that in to make sure that it's blended out. Now using my wet sponge brush, I'm going to pat that over my lid just to help blend it out. This Louise base is really good and really cheap. I believe I paid like $8 for it. Now using the tip of my beauty blender, I'm going to set some of that setting powder on top of that Louise. This will prevent any creasing. Alright, now that I have my eyelids concealed and set, I'm going to grab my Jamrock palette and I'm going to first place this shade right here. This yellow is kind of like a mustard yellow. I'm going to place that on my eye first. Alright, now that you guys are close to my face, we're going to place the yellow eyeshadow right here, coming down our tear duct. Next, I'm going to apply this orange right here, right next to the yellow. And I'm just going to use a different brush for each one of these colors. So I'm going to tap that over the edge of the yellow and extend it. Okay, next I'm going to apply this shade right here. Let me get in focus. Yeah, this pink right here. So guys, I'm just going to turn up the music and just continue to show you guys what I'm doing because it's kind of repetitive. Alright guys, I'm back. I have those shades filled up. Now I'm going to go in with a clean brush and I'm going to lightly brush over the top of each shade. Now I'm going to tap more of those shades on and bring it to the other shade. And I'm just gonna skip past this step because I've done it a lot on my channel. If you would like to see how I cut crease, I will leave one link up above. My eyelid is cut. I didn't apply any setting powder to it. I'm going to apply the same shade in the same order as my bottom lash line. Top half in the bottom, and I'm just grabbing concealer on my brush. And I'm gonna bring it all the way out, and this is gonna help wing out the top half. On the end where the concealer is, just to give it a flesh-like color. I'm going to use this shade right here to give me a fleshy tone. Now I'm going to smudge out my waterline with the same shades, and I will be back. Alright guys, I'm back. I kind of connected both upper lash line, my bottom lash line together using the yellow. I merged them in together, both yellows and also the green. So now I'm going to complete my second eye, put on some lashes, and come back with the final look. Alright guys, this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post. And as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.